In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate on Fresha. Whether you've just had an outstanding appointment or one that left something to be desired, sharing your feedback helps other users make informed choices and businesses improve their services. Let's walk through the steps together to share your valuable insights. First, you'll need to access Fresha. You have two convenient options. You can either use the Fresha mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices, or access the platform through the Fresha website at www.fresha.com. Whichever method you choose, log into your Fresha account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile or account section. This is typically located within the main menu, which you can access from the homepage of the app or website. Tapping on Profile or Account will bring you to a section where you can manage your account settings and see your appointment history. Next, you'll need to find your recent bookings or appointments. Look for an option labeled Bookings or My Appointments. This page is where you'll see a list of all past and upcoming services you've scheduled through Fresha. Browse through this list to find the specific appointment you wish to rate. When you've located the appointment, the next step is to leave your review. You'll see a button labeled Rate this service or Leave a rating. This is your entry point to sharing your feedback. Click on it and you'll be guided to a rating page where you can give the service a star rating. Typically, you can choose between 1 and 5 stars. A 5-star rating signals an excellent experience, while 1 star indicates a poor encounter. In addition to the star rating, Fresha encourages you to leave comments about your experience. This feedback is optional but can be incredibly helpful. Consider writing a brief review that touches on different aspects of your visit. You might comment on the quality of the service you received, the professionalism of the staff, or the cleanliness and atmosphere of the establishment. If there's anything else noteworthy about your visit, feel free to include that as well. Once you've provided your star rating and written any comments, review your feedback to ensure it reflects your experience accurately. When you're satisfied with your review, go ahead and submit it. By doing so, you're playing a part in enhancing the Fresha community, allowing businesses to continuously improve, and helping other users make well-informed decisions. That's it for today's guide on how to rate on Fresha. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process. Remember, your reviews truly matter, so don't hesitate to share them after every appointment. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.